Hello, grade sixes. I'm going to make a tornado for you today really, really quickly, really, really easy. I will show you the equipment that I have. All right, so I have a glass bottle, or any clear bottle will do, just water in there, some detergent, and some glitter. Now, this glitter, as you can see, is biodegradable plant-based glitter, so it doesn't matter if it goes down the sink. Most glitters you cannot put down the sink because they're microplastics and they are not good for the environment. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of this detergent in there, and we're gonna put a little bit of glitter. Okay, open the lid. I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter in there. Whoa! Alrighty. Oh, pretty. And now put the lid back on. And I'm going to rotate it in a circular motion and we'll see if a tornado forms inside. Oh, cool. Let's try again. I feel like we can get a better tornado. I'm going to try again and see if we can get a better tornado. Let's try again. Oh, look, it's all formed really neatly in the bottom there. Small. Let's try again. There we go. That's better. Ooh. I understand why we need the soap now, because the soap makes the bubbles that make the tornado. Yes. So you should try and do this at home, except if you don't have biodegradable glitter, don't use any glitter. You probably don't need glitter. It just makes it look pretty. You just need soap and the bottle and some energy.